Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on smart split in Vivo Y15s phone, and guys how to use smart split setting in Vivo Y15s phone. So let's see how to on it. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll it, and guys come on shortcut and accessibility setting. Guys click on smart split and guys slide up with 3 fingers to split the screen. So let's see, and it's showing how it's work. So example, we will take this YouTube and guys use with your finger. So you can see, and guys one app more guys, then we will on it. Example for guys, we will take this Google. So you can see you can use 2 screen in one phone. You can use YouTube. Oh guys, I don't have any data because there are power cut. So I hope friends you have understood. So as you can see guys, I can use YouTube with Google. So I hope friends you have understood how to on smart split and guys how it's work in Vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.